Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!